Okay, this is part 4 of the YFZ Assembly videos. We got all the bottom end on the clutch side installed. We already got all this stuff installed. Now I gotta work on pretty much sticking this side case on and maybe installing the piston in the cylinder. But anyways, we'll see what happens. Our part pile is starting to dwindle a little bit. Let's keep going with this. Okay, now I'm preparing surfaces to stick this onto that. I gotta replace a couple O-rings before I slap it on. Okay, now it's time to install this gasket onto here. Okay. Now time to stick this on. Okay, now we got that set on. Now time to stick the bolts in. Okay, we got the bolts installed all the way around. Now we need to torque them to 86.6 inch-pounds of torque. Okay, we got the torque. Okay, now time to stick on the clutch cover. Clutch cover, basket, whatever. Anyways, gotta stick this gasket on here. Now stick this on there. So. Okay, I just got all my bolts set in place. Now I gotta torque them. Okay, now I'm going to stick this cover of the oil filter hole, but I know there's no oil filter in it, but I would rather get the whole bottom end done right now so I keep track of the parts. So I'll stick an oil filter in it and I'll stick the oil in it. Okay, I got everything torqued down from here to here. Now it's time to stick on the impeller shaft. Okay, now we got to torque this to 10 foot-pound of torque, which translates into 100 inch-pounds of torque. If you're wondering how I convert that so quick, all you gotta do is take whatever foot-pound you want to do and times it by 12, and that makes it inch-pounds. Okay, I got the impeller shaft on. Now it's time to stick this water pump cover on. Clean it up really good. Okay, I've been working at this a few hours straight, and I'm gonna call it a night for today. But here's what I got done. Whole bottom end's practically together except for the flywheel and stuff. I'm gonna wait to stick that on until I get the jug and piston in. But other than that, our pile is quite diminished. And I got a couple small things here. So that's the end of part 4. I hope you like it. Remember, comment, rate, subscribe, and see you later.